making this show possible. Maraming salamat. I know, baby. Hello, baby. Nakaulit ako, baby, dito. Hindi ka na po siguro natin nila. Anyway, maraming salamat po sa One Mind Production for organizing this event. Thank you very much. One Mind.
Maraming salamat po, One Mind Productions.
Maraming salamat po. Conrad Clemente, thank you very much. Mara Mila or Mara Milia. Bong Sausa. Sausa. Yeah. Bong Sausa, thank you very much. Eman Milia, Nel Isagan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And sa ating mga sponsors, ang Entertainment Pinoy, you can rent Filipino DVDs and, well, you can rent Filipino DVDs at Netflix.com. Netflix.com? Did you get that right? Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo. Makati Asian Cuisine, launching their new dine-in menu. Please visit the restaurant located in Northwest Houston. Sago Tapioca and Snack Bar, the first tapioca bar located in Fernand. Boracay Cafe. Salamat po, Boracay Cafe, located in Bel Air Avenue. Journal Party Services Corporation.
Hi.
Thank you very much. Ameria Blue Healthcare Services, providing quality healthcare. Thank you very much po. In the comfort of your home. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And lastly, sa aking paper, Andrew and Ruby Casas for sponsoring accommodation. Talaga ka ba lang?
Ikaw lang pare, nag-iisa ka.
Grabe, kaya pala naka-presidential suite ako ha. Wow! Yeah. Ano yung room nyo? Standard? Sorry. Kawawa naman kayo. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Anman Ruby Casas for sponsoring my hotel.
Okay, ako muna pare. Sige. I'd like to greet my mom.